Hello guys, what's up? You are seeing the PWC trading channel on YouTube, and this video is about how to trade the gold market using a simple 5-minute scalping strategy. Guys, this strategy, it seems simple, but it's the very most powerful strategy through which I made a huge amount of profits. As you can show on my MT5 terminal, you can see here on the bottom right corner of my screen, I made $128,000 in the past 3 months. Look, it's all transparent. It's all in front of you. As I have clicked, and you can see I've clicked on the last 3 months, my history, account history. You can see that I have generated around almost $130,200. So you can also achieve these results. It seems difficult to trade the gold market, but by using this strategy, it becomes very simple and very easy. What you're gonna do is first you'll go and open your TradingView account, and you'll go into the indicators icon. First you'll click the indicators icon and you'll write over here WMA, which means moving average weighted. Okay, and the next one you need is volume weighted moving average. Volume weighted moving average. It will appear to you, and it's very easy to find. Now that these two indicators are in front of you, as are being shown on the screen, first you'll go to the WMA and click to the setting, go into its setting, and first you'll change its color. You'll change its color from blue to red, and in input you'll write over here 12. Now secondly, you'll go to the volume weighted moving average. You click its settings, and you can keep its color blue or whatever color you want to choose, and you can change it from its style icon. Then you'll go to the inputs and change its length from 20 to 24. Now it's set up, the third indicator you need is the MACD. You can also find it in the indicators toolbar or icon, but I have already installed it, and as I'm using it, because it's also a very powerful trading indicator. Now the first thing you're going to do is, when seeing the market, seeing the chart, is you'll identify a chart pattern, a trend in a smaller time frame. There are two types of trend, as you know it, a bull trend and a bear trend. Now if it's a bull trend, the thing that you'll need first is you'll see the MACD indicator when it has crossed over. Blue line indicates the MACD line, and the red line indicates the signal line. When it crosses over from bottom to top, then you wait for the red weighted moving average to cross the volume weighted moving average, the blue line, the blue one. When it crosses it, it's the first signal for you to go long, as it touches or retests the first red line, which is the weighted moving average, the 12th length or period weighted moving average. Now you can take your position and you can set your stop loss right below the blue moving average, which is the volume weighted moving average, and you can keep your risk reward 1:2 or 1:3. Look, this is a scalping strategy, and I remind you, this is not a strategy to hold your trade. This is a strategy just to get in and get out of the market instantly. You don't have to be greedy. You don't have to hold your trades. You just have to get in and get out of the trade. You can make your business done in just 5 or 10 minutes, or maximum 15 or 20 minutes. You can keep your risk reward minimum, like 1:2 or 1:3. Sometimes it's 1:1. It depends on the market condition and the move it gives you. You can see it's a very powerful strategy in a the trend changes, the trend shifts as it becomes bear. You'll have to wait for the crossover to happen. Now this one is the bearish crossover. When the blue signal line of the MACD crosses the red signal line, this is the indication that the market is going down. And when the second confluence is when the red line crosses the blue line, and you'll wait for the price or the candlestick to retest the red line. And now you can place your short position and keep your stop loss just above the blue moving average, which is the volume weighted moving average, and keep your risk reward to 1:2 or 1:3. So guys, this is repeatedly shown on the market. The market repeats itself over and over again. This is also a very perfect example. This one is also a very perfect example. You can see over here, guys. This is a very powerful strategy for scalping only. This is not used for intraday trading, or when you take trades, you don't have to hold them. This is a very quick strategy to make good profits from the market. As you can see, I'm drawing the short positions, and you can see I'm generating a good risk to reward ratios. This is mainly used for scalping. This one is also a very good example for a long position. Guys, this is happening over and over again in the market, over and over again. You'll get tired of seeing the market repeat itself, and this strategy is the proven correct strategy, the accurate strategy that can make you profitable 90% of the times. Look guys, over here. This is unstoppable strategy. You can go in and out of the market in just a couple of minutes, and you'll be like generating a good amount of money with a very small stop loss. This example is for a bear market, sorry, a bear trend. Keep your risk rewards to 1:2 or 1:3. So, sorry, mind you guys, that was a Fibonacci. Now this is again a short position. Now keep in mind that you'll have to first see the indicator, MACD indicator. When it crosses, for a bearish one, the blue line must cross the red line, and the second confluence, the red moving average should cross the blue moving average from top to bottom. And for a bullish signal, like I can show you a good example like this one, wait for the MACD to cross from bottom to top. The blue line of the MACD should cross the red line of the MACD, and secondly, the red moving average should cross the blue moving average, and then you'll take your long position. Keep your risk reward low and keep your profits more, 1:2 or 1:3. So that's it guys. This was a very good scalping strategy for gold market. As you can see, I've generated a lot of profits from this strategy simply by scalping the gold market. You can see in the symbol icon, in the symbol list, bottom side of the screen, XAU USD, XAU USD. I used a two standard lot, and you can see my profits as I've generated them. Okay guys, see you next time. Keep liking our videos and keep subscribing. Keep sharing it with your friends who are eager to learn trading or want to start trading. Do recommend them. And that's it guys.